Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagmenta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kamukam College long ka khot admission haki degree but diploma course ban long chef hotelier but QA ban dep khap mania fila ban call haki niki number
Umindirang ba ka Jilau Konrad ki sangma ulapin mena ba ka Sorkar Jilla klaplat bisa ka ba Klur tingka Shiga Jhadc Autonomous District Council ka belong na Bhah janga khajana blalum neki Marpohkhyndew Usang mau ulayat ho, yakani hakajinya kendu bat kilar pathai kubor hadin gajinya lang bat ki MDC jong kaliang Sinsha jong GHADC Orchid in thala scan West Jhadc District hakar puai trek ujemang arajar apusan. Umidirang ba ulayat ho shu bahapo nilai tayo ka Sorkar Jilla kan sepelat saka khandai Klur tingka saka GHADC. Hagan gajinya kendu nol Konrad ki sangma Ladan langru usumbut midirang ba ka Jilla mas nyaw bhalang dhar Umindri Sorkar ma koming wan umban UMLA ka juwai ma wailat miki shilla UCM GHADC ma thambor shiwat Usang ma ulayat ho bakamat ka bakongsan hakajiya karan bat ki MDC janga GHADC kalong shisha kamat janga tulop ka berang sateng bat ka jinglong jingman hakaliang ka pisating ka Uloang magajing hakaliang ka pisating ka ha council kami nakadaw ka jing khangti doyong kabalakta ikilat kamay bag kabala shimpor ban penbed mentang lapoy ha kabenta bag ina penbed renti hindi ka jing ta ha kaliang ka pisa tingka kadang don ha ka GHADC but ha kiwi pa ki district council jong ka Jilla ulaong
The major issue in the GHADC is of course the issue of pending salaries and the overall financial stability in the GHDC as a result of obviously different bans on coal mining earlier, which then has taken time to now streamline. But as I said, we have now reached to the point where we have streamlined it to a large extent. But the financial impact has still been there on the GHDC and on the other district councils of the state. So those were discussed in detail. I of course shared with the MDCs that we have just sanctioned another 20 crores out of the dues that are there for the council. Another 19 crores is due. Hopefully in a couple of weeks or maximum 3 weeks time, we should be able to release that also. So that should give some stability and some kind of release the pressure of the GHDC. And in the meantime, we are also discussing with them regarding future ways and means in which we could work together to find ways to support the GHDC and the other district councils also, and also work towards reforming the councils, whether it's administratively, financially, and overall, to see the overall working of the councils. So all those matters were discussed, and we will be following up this meeting by having another meeting in the next 2-3 days. Deputy CM will be meeting them, and then post that we will be meeting other at finance level and other levels to then again further discuss the matter. I hope that as we move further, we are working on a long-term solution to this problem so that once and for all we can see some kind of financial stability in the council. But it's still at planning stage, so I'll refrain from giving details right now. It's not a simple issue, it's very complicated, it has got huge impact. We will see how we can address the issue, but at the end of the day, we have to look at how we can create stability there in terms of finance, and with that objective we will explore all possible options.